Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple different DIYs that I've created. And the first one is going to be this one right here, this Raffia paper pillow cover. I actually found a very similar one at Target, and the price, they are selling it for $30. They have it in different colors. So if you guys want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. Okay, so I ordered this Raffia paper from Amazon. I'm gonna be putting the link in the description box below, and we're gonna start this project by chaining 46 stitches. So this is how you start, and don't worry, this is a beginner's project. It's very easy. All you need to know is how to do the chain and do a single crochet stitch. And I'm gonna be making 46 chains, and as you guys could see, it's very easy. Okay, so here I have chained 46 stitches, as you guys could see. So this is how long it is, and now I'm gonna start doing a single crochet all the way across, and you're gonna put it right there in that little loop. You're gonna start doing the single crochet. Just put it in, bring over the yarn, and now you have two little hoops, and you're gonna bring over the yarn through both, and that's your single crochet. And I'm gonna show you one more time, very slow, very simple, right through. And as you guys could see here, I'm showing you how to start and with a different yarn, because I accidentally deleted this footage, but you're going to be doing this with the Raffia paper. You guys are going to see that later on. I'm going to switch over to the actual Raffia paper. Okay, here is the last stitch. When you guys do the last one, you're gonna chain one, and you're gonna turn over your work, and you're gonna start your new row with the single crochet and the stitch in the next stitch right here. So you put in the needle in the hole, and you bring over the yarn, and now you have two little hoops, and you bring it over, and you're gonna be doing this for the next 45 rows. You're gonna be single crocheting for 45 rows, and in every row you're gonna have 45 stitches, not 46. We only did 46 chains at the beginning because one of them counts as you do a chain at each corner. So here you're going to be doing 45 stitches, and then at the end you're going to chain one, and then you're going to turn over your work. So I continued, as you guys can see now, I switched over to the actual footage from the Raffia cover pillow. So far I did single crochet. I did it for 45 rows. And this is my last row right here. As you guys see, it's very easy, very simple. I single crochet 45 rows, and this is my last one. Okay, so I had finished doing the side, one of the sides here. You actually have to do two of them to complete the whole pillow cover. And now I'm gonna be attaching them. I'm just, putting together side by side so I could start attaching it in the corner. It doesn't really matter where you start, as long as you're gonna be closing it up all the way. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. So here you guys see I'm gonna be doing the single crochet all the way across, and once you reach the corner, you just gotta make sure you hold both of the squares and line them up with the hole, just like that. And you're gonna be doing it all the way across, and when you reach the corner, in the corner, you're gonna be just doing you're gonna be putting 3 single crochet in one little opening. I'm gonna show you guys in a few what I mean by that. So here you guys can see I'm about to reach the corner. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so this is the last one. I'm single crocheting one, and I'm doing another. I'm gonna be putting there 3 single crochets in the same spot, right in the corner, in the same hole. And that's 2, and now 3. And I'm doing that so then in the corner it's gonna be nice and it's gonna look very smooth. It's gonna have a round corner, and it's just gonna make the pillow look nicer. And then you just continue doing the single crochet all the way across. The same thing, repeating the same pattern, very easy. So here I reached, I did all the corners except for the last corner. I inserted the pillow, and now I'm ready to start closing it up, just like that.